Meanwhile, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness says the full weight of the state will be put behind assisting the victims of the massacre in Linstead, St. Catherine. During a visit to the area on Monday, the Prime Minister called for a greater focus to be placed on the victims who suffer as the country's fight against crime continues. Siobhan Campbell tells us more.
Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness says the victims and their families will receive full support from the state. He offered his condolences to the community when he visited on Monday.
My own personal and sincere and deep condolences on this very tragic incident which has taken the lives of 4 innocent Jamaicans and has threatened the lives of members of the community. I'm also here to assure the families and loved ones of the victims that the Jamaican state and government will support them through this very difficult time, whether it is with support in counseling or in supporting any other needs that